Hey besties, so right now it is super late, like super duper late, and I'm eating rice, y'all, and it's almost done anyway. So the reason why I am staying up a bit late because me and my mom are packing for the trip we're going to. So me and my mom are gonna be in Korea for 6-7 days for school and everything. We want to kind of live there for like a year, and then with my brother, and then after that I'm gonna have a competition for 6 days in Vietnam. And I'm honestly really scared because all the girls were like clocking it, and I was literally not clocking it. I'm not period, and they were like period, and they were like really pretty and skinny and like wow, they were like super mature-ish. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. You're clocking it, my queen. Anyways, guys, so our flight is going to be like the plane is going to be around in 10, and we gotta wake up like pretty early, like around 6 or 7, and I'm just gonna pack for a little bit, and after that it takes like around like 1 hour to go to the airport. And yeah, and we are pretty nervous, but I'm actually nervous, not my mom. My mom's like, chill. My brother is not going to come with us to Korea and Vietnam, but we're going to come back to Mongolia, and then we're going to take him to Korea. So yeah, a bit tired, so after this story, I'm going to sleep, y'all. And I can't lie to you guys, but it's right now 3:20 a.m. Bro, my grammar sucks. Anyway, so see you guys, good night or good morning.